Hello students. Now from today we are going to start third chapter of Maths 1, that is polynomials. In polynomial lots of equations are there. Equations are called as algebraic expression. You all know that what is meant by algebraic expression. Okay, algebraic expression means a combination of constants and variables. A combination of constant and variables. Then what is meant by constant and what is meant by variables? You also know that. What is meant by constants? Constant means any number, any fixed number, that is 2, 3, 4, -3, -7, etc. All numbers are called as constant. All numbers are alone, so these numbers are called as constant. And variables. Variables. All the alphabets of the equations are called as variables. All the alphabets of equations are called as variables, that is A, B, C, X, Y, Z, etc. So, alphabets are called as variables and only single numbers are called as constant numbers. So, in this algebraic expression, a combination of constants and variables means combination of numbers and variables. Okay, let's example x square plus 3x plus 8. This is the algebraic expression because in this equation variables are there. X are variables and only single number is called as constant. So, a combination of constant and variables. Again, second example is that x cube minus 3xy minus 7. In this equation, x and y both are variables and -7 is constant. -7 is constant. So, the combination of constant and variables means combination of this constant number and variables connected by the signs of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In this equation, variables and constant numbers connected by these signs. So, these equations is called as algebraic expression. Means algebraic expression means single equation. These equations are called as algebraic expression. Again, third example is that 6x is also called as algebraic expression because this is the variable, x is the variable and 6 is its coefficient. This is combination of constants and variables. So, 6 into x, this is this equation joined with multiplication sign. So, this is also called as algebraic expression. Again, fourth problem is 6. 6 is constant number. So, this is also called as expression. This is also called as algebraic expression because 6 equal to 6 into x raised to power 0. 6 can also be written as 6 into x raised to power 0. So, this is called as algebraic expression. Okay.